Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you how to set up animated lock screen on this device. So you have two main options for animated lock screen. The first one is some system wallpapers, and the second one is your own custom video clip. So you have to long press on the home screen, and now select Wallpapers and Style at the bottom. Now let's switch to lock screen. Right here it should say lock screen, and now let's tap Wallpaper. And if you want to use some system wallpapers that are animated, you will scroll through those options, and please make sure that it has this indicator that says that this specific wallpaper is animated. For reference, as you can see, here is no such sign, so that means this is not animated wallpaper, so you have to select out of those options. I'll go with this one, for example. As you can see, it is animated, and then you have to just press apply button in the top right corner of the screen to set this as your lock screen. Now, if you want to use your own custom video clip, then let's tap Wallpaper once again, and let's select Choose from Album, and this will open your gallery. So you want to select specific video that you want to use as your lock screen wallpaper. This is the preview of the video. Additionally, you can crop it if you need that, and let's tap Resume in the top right. And this is how it will look like. As well, you have to tap Apply in the top right corner of the screen to set this, your own video, as your lock screen. So that's how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.